Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to hide WhatsApp messages and sender name from notification bar. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to hide WhatsApp message or sender name, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp app and then select info icon. But if you want get the settings, you just have to go for settings app on your phone and here select notification settings. From notification you just have to look for WhatsApp. In WhatsApp you have to look for message notification, just select it, and here you just have to disable settings. Now you will not get any message or the sender name. You will get the option of you have one notification or two notification on your notification bar, but the message or the sender name will be hidden from your notification bar. So that's how you can easily hide WhatsApp messages and sender name from notification bar. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.